If your CapCut account was deactivated and you want to get it back, this video will walk you through the full reactivation process step by step. Whether you use CapCut for editing short-form videos, YouTube content, or client projects, getting access to your account again is important so you can restore your projects and keep working without starting over. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's go ahead and get started. First, open CapCut on your PC. You can do this from your desktop shortcut, your start menu, or wherever you normally launch the app. Once CapCut opens, look for the login button. This is the first step to reconnecting your account and starting the reactivation process. Click login and then use the same email, Google account, TikTok account, or any other login method that was originally linked to your CapCut account. This part is really important because if you use a different login method, CapCut may create a new account instead of restoring the old one. So take a moment here and make sure you choose the exact sign-in method connected to your previous account. After you enter your credentials and sign in, CapCut may show a prompt asking you to confirm that you want to reactivate your account. If you see that message, review it carefully and confirm the reactivation. This tells CapCut that you want to restore access to your existing profile rather than create something new. Once you confirm, wait for CapCut to finish restoring your account. Depending on your account history and how much data you have stored, this may take a few moments. During this time, CapCut will sync your projects, settings, and any available account information back into your profile. When the process is complete, check your dashboard and project list to make sure everything has loaded properly. If your projects appear, that usually means the reactivation worked and your account is back in action. From there, you can continue editing just like before. If you don't see your projects right away, give it a little more time and refresh the app. In some cases, syncing can take a moment, especially if you had a lot of saved work. But as long as you signed in with the correct account, CapCut should reconnect and restore your access. And that's it. You've reactivated your CapCut account on PC. It's a simple process once you know where to click. And using the original login method is the key to getting everything back properly. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.